Here we are in Chapter 5, Section 4, problem number 3. Find the value of z star that yields the probability shown. So in this case what we're doing is we're kind of going in reverse. We're trying to find the value of z star that gives us a probability versus given a z star, what's the cumulative probability from a table. So essentially what we're going to do is find the value here of the, like in A. Let's just look at A. So in A, we're trying to find the value in the table that is, go into the table and find the probability of 0.15, that cumulative probability. Then look to see in the column and the row, or the row in the column, of what's the value of z star that gave us that value. So when we go for this first one, 0.1500 for A, and we look into the table, the closest value to that is, let's see, we don't have 0.15 exactly. There's a 0.1492, that's pretty close. And that's in row minus 1.0. And it's in the column 04, so minus 1.04 is approximately equal to our z asterisk here, or z star there. So B, similar type thing. So here we're going to look in our probability distribution table for cumulative normal distribution, 12.2, try to find 0.75. And we look for 0.75 in the guts of the table, and we find a 0.7486, which is fairly close to 0.75. That's in the row 0.6, and that's in the column 07, so 0.6, no, this is 0.67 is approximately z star in this place. So the value of z star, the probability that z is less than 0.67 is going to be 0.75. Did I set that right? Now these two, we have to do this a little different. We can't just pull this out of the table. We have to do, so the probability that z is greater than z star is the same as 1 minus the probability that z is less than z star, which is what we need to be coming up with for this one. So this is going to be 1 minus 333 equals 0.6667. Okay, so our z star is going to be, we'll look up in the table for 0.6667, and let's see, there's a 0.6664, that's really close. That's in row 0.4 and in column 3, so again approximately 0.43. Then D is similar. We'll have to subtract off z less than z star again. So 1 minus 0.8000 equals 0.2000. I'm going to look for my z star, and that's going to be close to 0.200, and there's a 0.2005, and that's in minus 0.8 row, and in the column 04, so 0.84. Getting this backwards thing going is something you need to be remembering as well, because we can look for the probability of the probability and go back and find the value that came from.